I want to explain very quickly, I've been getting a lot of messages concerning the stamp duty in the High Court, and it can go from hundreds of euro to thousands of euro. Stamp duty can only be applied to civil matters, and they're usually corporate matters, companies fighting with companies. The fee regime is underpinned by civil law. So when you're going into the courts concerning a fundamental right violation carried out against you, there is no fee on that because the fees cannot be applied to constitutional or criminal matters. So keep that in mind. This fee statutory instrument does not attach any fees to constitutional matters, and anyone that's experiencing any kickback from the court services, get in touch with me on 085 205 0563. I'm available 7 days a week on the phone. I'm replying to all my text messages, WhatsApps and emails today. It takes a couple of days to get through them all. But if there's any emergency matters, just give us a call straight away. Another thing that I'm going to be doing is teaching people about their constitutional rights, how to understand the Constitution of Ireland. So tonight we're going to learn about the preamble and the nation, which includes Article 1, 2 and 3. And as we progress through the weeks, we'll go through the other chapters and articles of the Constitution of Ireland. I'm going to teach people about the inherent jurisdiction of the courts and how to hold state employees accountable. I want to finish on this. This is very important. Now, I'm going to be up in the four courts Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, all day from 10 o'clock in the morning, and I'm doing the district and circuit courts on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and helping people push back against malicious prosecutions by the guards and the DPP. But I want to finish on this. At this moment in time, we are 100 TDs, we're approximately 100 TDs short in the Dáil, in our national parliament in Dáil Éireann. Our constitution provides 1 TD for every 20,000 people. So roughly, I think the population is 5.4 million. We should have 270 TDs. The reason why we have only 174 is because it's easier for these people working in the government to control the narrative. There's less people that they need to make a government. Now, under the Constitution of Ireland, it's impossible for the government to turn on the people. But the people working in our government, our so-called elected leaders, are undermining our rights. 2 million people in this country stand unrepresented in Dáil Éireann. And I'm looking into holding the Electoral Commission accountable for not making sure that we have the maximum representation, not the minimum. At the minute we have the minimum, and it's not good enough. I think we have less than the minimum representation at the minute. So all the people in the National Parliament, in the Oireachtas, including the senators and all the Teachtaí Dála, all the TDs, one of them could stand up in Dáil Éireann and voice this, but nobody does. So that just shows you that we don't have an opposition in this country. We don't have a proper constitutional government in this country. All we have are self-serving individual people corrupting the state that we live in. And I'm dismantling their legal network at the minute with the Chief State Solicitor's Office and the Attorney General, who is standing by letting his office be abused. Some say he's a decent person, but how can you stand by and let the government trample on the people of Ireland using the very office you're meant to be protecting the people's rights and asserting their rights? So I'm looking forward to getting up to the four courts this week, and I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for all your support, because without your support I wouldn't be able to do this. And we're providing a service, not just me, the people who support me and all of you, we're providing ourselves with this service. Just like the same people who enacted, adopted, and gave to ourselves this constitution, the people of Ireland have to give to themselves the right to go into the courts and hold our state employees accountable. State employees who are acting personally within our government and corrupting the state. They're not doing it for the benefit of the people of Ireland. They're doing it for the benefit of themselves. But the people of ERA have an opportunity now to stand up, understand their constitutional rights, where they came from, what they stand for, and how to assert their rights through the courts, through the law. Because when you walk with the law, these cowards and traitors who are in highly paid jobs, working as civil servants, public servants, and throughout the government, they have nothing to stand on. The only thing that they have to stand on is 2 feet that will be running in the opposite direction when High Court papers start coming their way, when we exercise our fundamental rights.